Welcome back! Got a quick one this week on a painted ombre effect. I've got a 7-inch round which I've covered and I've let the sugar paste firm up a bit. Tutorials for all these steps are in the description box. You'll need a little bowl of water to create a wash and a gel colour of your choice. I've got Baby Pink by Sugar Flare. Take some on a cocktail stick and swirl it into the water. With a big brush, fully incorporate the gel. You can see the colour that runs from the brush isn't very intense, so you can add a little more at a time until you've got the shade of pink. Add the very pale wash all over the cake. You can't see it, but it is there. Once that coat is on, darken the wash with more gel and add this around the bottom, slowly moving up so it blends into the lighter colour at the top. Keep adding darker streaks around the bottom until you have the pale top graduating down to a darker shade. When you're happy with your gradient, spin your cake with your brush resting on it to create continuous strokes rather than lots of little ones. This bit is optional, but I want a few white streaks, so I've taken a paper towel and hold this to the cake as you spin it. It will dry up any excess liquid and add more texture to the pattern. And that's it, it's as easy as that. Let it dry and it will go matte instead of shiny. I'm guessing you'll want to know why I use water and not alcohol or lemon extract. That's an easy one. Both of the latter cost more money. Water is free and it gives me the exact same effect. Here's a little close-up of those coloured streaks whilst it's still wet. And here it is when I've allowed it to dry a little. It makes a nice, interesting and different background than the usual solid block of colour. Hope you found it useful. See you next week, guys!